Hi everyone, so Shivam this side. Today I am sharing my experience with the GUVI. So I joined the GUVI in the month of August 2023. I was in batch number DW71. So I found a GUVI in somewhere in internet while I am searching for switch my career to IT. Currently I am working in a non-IT 2.6 year, past 2.6 year. So there is a lots of similar platform who are providing the same kind of assistance to switch your career IT non-IT to IT. So, but while checking the review from past learner, I found the GUVI is the best for me because the complete program is conducted. You can say conducted by some professor or from IIT Madras. So I was very curious to join this and some scared to join this program because I never do the any coding and non tech background. So during this course, so I found they started from a very beginning, like zero level to advanced. So every weekend they also conducted classes, extra classes to skill your knowledge in some tools which are required to during your job. So I found a very you can everyone can join who want to switch the career from non-IT to IT. So from very beginner level you can start in GUVI. So that is my experience, and I found very blessed to join the GUVI. Thank you.